DAMAC is back again. And after the complete sellout of the first phase of Riverside, they are now bringing something brand new, Azure 2. A lifestyle-focused apartment launch inside the Riverside Views master community. This is where the greens meet the blues. Modern apartments, wellness-led living, and DAMAC signature community lifestyle, all coming together in one of Dubai's most promising upcoming areas. Developed by DAMAC Properties, one of the UAE's most prominent developers, their projects have not only defined luxury real estate but also consistently delivered long-term value appreciation and global investor confidence. So when you buy into Azure 2, you're not just buying a home, you're investing with a brand that symbolizes quality, lifestyle, and trust. Now, let's take a look about the location. Riverside View sits within Dubai Investment Park, an area positioned strategically between Expo City and Al Maktoum International Airport, making it part of Dubai's next major growth corridor under the 2040 Master Plan. You're just 12 minutes from Expo City and Al Maktoum International Airport, 15 minutes from Global Village and IMG World, close proximity to Dubai's leading seaport and business-free zones. Even downtown Dubai and other existing attractions are within half an hour's reach. So it's not just well connected, it's quietly central. Close enough for convenience, yet secluded enough to enjoy a peaceful riverside lifestyle. This area is expected to evolve as Dubai's next major residential hub, surrounded by new malls, schools, and employment zones, driven by airport expansion and Expo City's innovation ecosystem. Now let's talk about what makes Riverside Views different. It's designed as a wellness-focused waterfront master plan, where health, leisure, and nature flow together in one seamless experience. Now let's take a look at what community has to offer. A floating opera stage for cultural performances, a floating cinema under the stars, island restaurants accessible by boat, essential oils lakes, and hydroponic farms for holistic living, calisthenics and aquatic fitness zones, a Malibu Cove beach lagoon, and even an amphitheater, kids adventure park, and game zones. This is not a typical residential project. It's an entire lifestyle destination where every view tells a story and every day feels like a retreat. Each building at Riverside is designed to flow with the lagoon. Modern architecture, clean lines, and elegant facades that reflect the water and light. Inside, the apartments blend earthy tones and natural textures with modern aesthetics. Expansive windows flood every home with light, framing calming views of the river, gardens, and open spaces. A balance of urban comfort and natural peace. Now, let's focus on Azure 2, the newest residential cluster at DAMAC Riverside Views. Azure 2 marks a first for DAMAC, introducing studio apartments within a gated community, alongside the popular one-bedroom waterfront residences. This makes it perfect for both investors and first-time buyers, offering accessible price points without compromising on the experience. Now, studios here start from 628,000 dirhams, while one-bedroom apartments start at around 1.26 million dirhams. Now, across its 5 buildings, Azure 2 features 720 units, each thoughtfully designed to optimize space, maximize light, and enhance views. Layouts are efficient, modern, and ideal for both end users and short-term rental potential, making it one of the most investor-friendly waterfront launches in the market today. Now, DAMAC has introduced a very flexible payment plan that sets Azure 2 apart. Now, you start with just 10% on booking, followed by a small structured monthly installment of as little as 0.25%, and you pay the rest 40% on completion, which is in March 2029. Now, from an investment standpoint, this is a micro market play. Dubai Investment Park sits right in the part of infrastructure growth, surrounded by Expo City, the planned Brown Line Metro, and Al Maktoum Airport's expansion, which will become the world's largest when fully operational. As these projects mature, property values here will naturally benefit from the spillover effect, making Azure 2 a strategic early cycle investment with strong potential for capital appreciation and healthy rental yields. But beyond numbers, Azure 2 is about lifestyle. It's a place where wellness isn't just a feature, it's the foundation. So if you would like to review layouts, discuss ROI projections, or secure your unit before prices move up, reach out to me today. I'm Hina Patel, Senior Property Consultant at Experience Realty, and I would be happy to walk you through how Azure 2 fits into your long-term goals. Because in a city where every waterfront has created value, the next wave of growth is flowing riverside.